if you're trying to reduce your stress levels, you probably already know that you need to start with the basics. Self-care, good sleeping habits, and of course, exercise. But did you know that there are also foods that can help reduce stress levels? Though managing stress with food is a long game, not a quick fix, but here are some simple tips on how your diet can improve your mood or fight stress. Start the day with a balanced breakfast. Avoid sugary cereals, pastries, and too much caffeine. Instead, focus on protein from foods like eggs, dairy foods, nuts, and seeds, combined with complex carbohydrates, such as those found in whole grains. Don't skip meals. Ensure that you eat regularly, enjoying healthy snacks as required. Small, regular meals will help to maintain energy levels and mood, while decreasing tiredness and irritability. Choose whole, natural foods. Ensure you eat a minimum of 5 portions of non-starchy vegetables per day. These foods provide the micronutrients you need to support your immune system, such as vitamin C, the B group of vitamins, and magnesium. Prioritize protein. When chronically stressed, the body has an increased demand for protein. Including more protein in a meal helps slow the release of sugar, so it has a blood sugar stabilizing effect. Foods such as lean meat, fish, eggs, poultry, but also vegetarian options as peanuts, quinoa, beans, and legumes promote balanced blood sugar levels. Ditch highly refined carbs. These are foods such as white bread, pasta, chocolate, biscuits, sweets, or foods with added sugars. Replace processed foods with unrefined foods like wholemeal bread, whole grain rice, porridge oats, and rye. Foods high in vitamin B and omega-3 fatty acid. These foods reduce inflammation and help with the metabolism of cortisol. Foods high in vitamin B include beef, chicken, eggs, fortified cereal, nutritional yeast, and organic meats. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acid include fatty fish, avocados, chia seeds, flax seeds, olive oil, and walnuts. Magnesium is beneficial when it comes to reducing inflammation, metabolizing cortisol, and relaxing the body and mind. Foods such as avocados, bananas, broccoli, dark chocolate, pumpkin seeds, and spinach are good sources of magnesium. Did you know that 70 to 80% of our immune system is reliant on our gut? So if we correct our gut, we correct a lot of our immunity. The probiotic-rich and fermented foods can help balance blood sugar and reduce cholesterol. For example, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, kombucha, and sauerkraut. Important: don't turn to supplements to get the vitamins and nutrients your body needs. Go with food first. Remember, a balanced diet can support a healthy immune system and provide the extra energy needed to cope with stressful events. So take care of yourself. Every healthy meal is an act of self-respect.